Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Zyra. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also smash that like button, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to always comment notification squad, notification gang, so I know that you have turned on notifications and you can be featured for a shout out in my next video or in any single video. I do post weekly on my channel, any day of the week, but I do post weekly. Without further ado, let's get straight onto this video.
I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. Finish income on my outfit. I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, they wanna hurt me. I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit.
As y'all can see by the title, I am going to be doing a review and an unboxing video on a ring light that I purchased from Amazon, and this came really quick to me, and that is because I have Amazon Prime. Anything I order from Amazon comes like that. This ring light was super affordable. I'm gonna go ahead and look that up and insert it right into this video. I paid that much money for this ring light. I did unbox it already, I'm not even gonna lie, and that's because I wasn't sure what it was because I ordered so much stuff from Amazon recently that I thought that it was something else, and I opened it and I tried it out and it's amazing. I can't wait to show you guys. Here's the box that it came in. It came in this really big Prime box, and as you guys can see, I told you guys I already opened it, so it is open. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what came inside and what the ring light came in. So when you open the box, there's another box here, and that is where the ring light is. I'm gonna go ahead and take that box out. And this ring light is the 10-inch selfie ring light with tripod stand and phone holder. This ring light is the 10-inch selfie ring light with tripod stand and phone holder. That's exactly why I purchased it, because it does come with the phone holder and the tripod already, so I didn't have to go and purchase that separately. To take out the ring light out of the box, this is what you get, and it's wrapped in a plastic form thing, if I remember correctly. What we're gonna do is connect the tripod stand to it. This is what it looks like, and you're just gonna screw it into the bottom. Okay, and these things actually open up, so it's really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all three light settings. So once you turn it on, this is the first setting, the really brightest one. This is the one I will be using for my videos. You can also dim this all the way, or you can also keep it all the way up. I recommend using it high. This is the next setting. This is a yellow dim light. It's not really something I would recommend using for a YouTube video. Very ugly, shitty quality. You can also dim this as well. All three settings you can dim or brighten. And last but not least, my favorite one, like y'all could see it's really bright. This is what it would look like from behind the camera, and this is in front. So it's super bright, and you can also lower this and brighten it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and set this up. But before I set it up, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the last thing here. So the last thing I have here is the remote shutter button. This is ran by Bluetooth, so it does have a battery port that you do connect just in case like yours comes like dead or something. On the side here, you'll see like a little slidey button, and that is the power or power off. I'm gonna go ahead and power it on. That blue light blinking is basically looking for a Bluetooth device to connect, and this little remote shutter button does take photos by itself. So if you have your tripod up from a distance, you can go ahead and press this and it'll go ahead and take the picture, so it's super cool. Go ahead and set up my camera right on my tripod and we'll be right back. This is how the camera looks in the ring light from your guys' point of view. It's every single quality and it's really bright. And so now that it's up on my camera, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all light settings once again. But since it's from that way, you guys can see it much clearer, and now you guys can see what I mean. This is the bluer, lighter LED color, and this is one that I wouldn't use for my videos because I don't like it. It's not bright enough. This one is the yellow one. This is the one that I was saying that's more of a yellow tone, and I wouldn't recommend using because it's just not the color that you want for your video. And last but not least, the original LED color light. This is my favorite, and this is my go-to for my videos. Pretty much it. This is the ring light. I definitely recommend you buying this. This is a 10-inch, so it's super like, if you put it on like a table and you sit down somewhere, it's pretty, like you get a pretty good review, so it's still okay. If y'all want to see more reviews like this, definitely comment down below. Yeah, that's all we have for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.